Hi, we are from Group 2. Our team members are Azrul, Zulaikha, Diyana, Nadiah, and Nurhafizah. We will presenting to you the history of Mariner 1 spacecraft. Azrul will explaining a little bit about the history of the Mariner 1 spacecraft. History of Mariner 1 aircraft. Mariner 1 is the first spacecraft of the American Mariner program in 1962. It was designed for a planetary flyby of Venus. The cost of this spacecraft is $18.5 million. The spacecraft were launched on the 22nd of July on 1962. The spacecraft was launched at Cape Canaveral, United States. The Mariner 1 spacecraft were destroyed by the Range Safety Officer 293 seconds after launch because there is a problem with the spacecraft. Now, Diyana, Zulaikha and Nadiah will explaining the cause of why the Mariner 1 spacecraft were destroyed.
Why the Mariner 1 destroyed? Mariner 1 were destroyed because of it veered off course after an unscheduled U-lift maneuver. The spacecraft was headed for a collision, likely in the North Atlantic shipping lanes or in a populated area, due to defective guidance commands. The destruct command was sent 6 seconds before separation, after which it could not have been destroyed. There were 3 causes the Mariner 1 changed the path direction. First is Atlas airborne equipment not worked, second is code error, and lastly the speculation of space race.
Atlas airborne beacon wasn't working? Multiple periods of time without a rate signal were triggered by improper operation of the Atlas airborne beacon equipment. A missing hyphen encoded computer instructions in the data editing software allow transmission of incorrect guidance signals, according to the post-flight analysis.
Code error caused the Mariner 1 change the direction? When the airborne beacon failed, a code error caused the device to acknowledge the ground receiver's sweep frequency as it searched for the vehicle beacon signal, combining it with tracking data sent to the guidance computation. This resulted in needless course corrections and steering orders that were inaccurate. So the code error was the cause of the Mariner 1 changed the path and also were destroyed by the range safety officer. Space race caused the failure of Mariner 1? The failure of Mariner 1 was also linked to the pressures of the space race. Some have criticized the spacecraft for being hastily designed as NASA attempted to keep up with the Soviets. Soviets is who attempted to fly by Venus several times in the early 1960s. If they don't rush doing the Mariner 1 and give more time to test the system or equipment, they will not wasting $18.5 million.
Next and lastly Nurhafizah will explaining the action after the Mariner 1 spacecraft incident. Action after Mariner 1 incident. NASA engineers had been working on a new design specifically for going to Mars and Venus. But it wasn't ready in time for the 1962 attempt. So, Ranger spacecraft were used for Mariner 1 and its backup, Mariner 2. Mariner 2 became the first robotic space probe to successfully perform a planetary encounter on December 14, 1962. Mariner 2 gathered information on Venus' atmosphere, magnetic field, charged particle environment, and mass, as well as interplanetary medium measurements.
That's all from us. Thank you.